Statistics measures of variability, standard deviation, part F and overall part 127. Standard deviation part F. Calculation of standard deviation SD from group data by short method. To find the standard deviation from group data by the short method, the following formula is used. SD is equal to I under root summation fx square by n minus c square, let it be equation number 1, is equal to SD is equal to I under root summation fd square by n minus summation fd over n whole square. This is equation 2. Either we can use this equation 1 or equation 2, where SD stands for standard deviation, I stands for length of class interval, F means frequency, X or D means deviation from the assumed mean, X square or D square means squared of deviation from the assumed mean, summation fx square or fx square or fd square is equal to product of frequency and squared of deviation from the assumed mean, and summation fx square or summation fd square is equal to sum of the product of the frequencies and square of deviation, that is frequency multiplied by deviation square. Here I have used X or D. In some books deviation for deviation X is used and some books for deviation D is used. So whether we are using X or D, both are same. Fx or Fd is equal to product of frequencies and deviation. Summation Fx or summation Fd means sum of product of frequencies and deviation, that is frequency multiplied by deviation. N is equal to number of scores and C stands for correction. Here formula of correction is given below. C is equal to summation Fx over N, or C is equal to summation Fd over N, and therefore C square is equal to summation Fx by N whole square, or C square is equal to summation Fd by N whole square. So this is the value of C, and in this way C is computed. Now using the value of C in equation 1, we have equation 2. So whether we are using equation 1 or equation 2, from both the equations standard deviation can be calculated. In some books for deviation x dash is also used, x dash or x prime is also used. Hence formula for correction can be written as C is equal to summation fx dash by n, or C square is equal to summation fx dash by n whole square. So whether x is used or d is used or x dash or x prime is used, all are same. Purpose is to represent deviation. Second formula to calculate standard deviation by short method, SD is equal to I over n within square root n within bracket summation fd square minus summation fd whole square. This equation is equation 3. Now inserting this n in square root, we have this equation SD is equal to I. When n is inserted in square root, it becomes n square. So it is in denominator, so it comes in denominator, n summation fd square by n square minus summation fd whole square by n square. Cancelling this n with power of n, we have SD is equal to I summation fd square by n minus summation fd by n whole square. This equation is equivalent to equation 2. So equation 2 can be written as equation 3 also. Hence, therefore, standard deviation by short method can be calculated by equation, either by equation 1 or equation 2 or equation 3. So for this purpose 3 equations are given, equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3 for calculating the standard deviation, so by short method. So in this part I have covered this standard deviation. Please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, and thank you.